Why won't a raindrop falling from 10,000 meters kill people? When an object falls from a great height, it is accelerated towards the ground by the force of gravity. Simultaneously, the object encounters air resistance, which is a force that acts in the opposite direction of the object's motion, slowing it down. The magnitude of the air resistance is affected by the size and shape of the object, as well as the speed and the properties of the air through which it is falling. Raindrops, for example, are relatively small and have a streamlined shape, so they experience relatively little air resistance as they fall. As a result, if they fall from a very high altitude, such as 10,000 meters, their speed does not increase significantly and would not endanger people on the ground.